Yorubo na niyo sa'yo. Ito na yung part 10 ng mga vocabularies na minimorize ko dati. Kaya nakakuha ako ng 190 na score. Again, book 1 pa rin to. Lahat ng mga vocabulary sa book 1 ay nandito na lahat. Pagkatapos nito, susunod natin yung vocabulary ng book 2. Puchiron hada, diligent. Punsek, food, snack. Pol kanong hada, to be impossible. Polgyong, Buddhist scriptures. Bulgogi, Bulgogi. Pulgyo, Buddhism. Poljon, Hungumulnida, to make offerings. Bolpyon nada, to be uncomfortable. Pongde, fabric bandage. Pongderol kamda, to wrap a bandage. Pulugo, blog. Pigauda, to rain. Pino, soap. Pimelbuno, password. Piso, assistant. Pisotada, to be similar. Pipimpap, pipimpap. Pisada, to be expensive. Pingge, plain. Pit, brush. Pizarro, broom. Paruda, iruda, to be early. Palirol kutda, to bring in laundry. Palirol nulda, to hang out wash. Palirol hada, to do laundry. Pang, bread. Pori, road. Sagwa, apple. Saram, people. Saramduri, chinsurada, people are kind, nice. Samushel, office. Saun muska, most. Sawol, April. Sai, between. Saja, lion. Sajunul chatda, to look up a word in a dictionary. Sajin donghoe, photography club. Sajin cholyong kumje, no photographs. Cholgumhada, to withdraw. Cholparada, to depart. Churip kumje, no trespassing. Churip kog kwalisamuso, immigration office. Chol Chigun Shigan, rush hour. Chumul Chuda, to dance. Chupta, to be called. Chuimi, hobbies. Chigwa, dentistry. Cheryurulhada, to treat. Chima, skirt. Chiak, toothpaste. Chingo, friend. Chicken, chicken. Chingurul manada, to meet a friend. Chinchurada, kind, nice. Chilwol, chulay. Chilpan, blackboard. Chimul pitta, to spit. Chitsol, toothbrush. Kado, card. Cambodia, Cambodia. Kope, coffee. Kopirol mashida, to drink coffee. Coffee shop, cafe. Computer kyoyok, computer lesson. Cop, cup. Quran, Quran. Comedy Yungwa, comedy movie. Kundo, membership resort. Konsunturul Buddha, to go for a concert. Konmurinada, to have a runny nose. Kurisomaso, Christmas. Kikachakta, to be short. Kikakuda, to be tall. Kirogisustan, Kyrgyzstan. Tagokada, to have a ride. Tagouda, to come by.